How to back up iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Inside the Settings menu, go to your Apple account, which displays your name. This takes you to the Apple account screen. From the list of options available here, go ahead and tap on the iCloud option. In the iCloud section, you see an overview of your storage. Scroll down and tap on iCloud Backup to view the backup options. You are now on the backup screen. Keep the toggle switch on for backup this iPhone and tap on Backup now to manually start the process. As you can see, a pop-up will appear. Tap on Continue to proceed. Your iPhone will begin backing up, and you can see the progress on the screen. Following these steps, you can easily back up your iPhone to iCloud. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.